Welcome back to another basic video, because this video or this job is really basic. So what to do before you change your oil, or how to do on any car, because this video is really basic. It's really no magic into it. So if you're there needing some help how to change your oil on any car, really, like I say, basic. So let me show you how I do how I change my oil. That being said, I'll be back. Alright, here's all the stuff that you're gonna need when you change your oil on all car. No matter what kind of car you're working on, truck or whatever, you're going to need this. So first, you gotta have you set up to a socket right here. This one over here, it's got all the size of tool that I need on all car. This tool have not let me down yet. For example, today I am going to use the 14 millimeter, which is right here. And then right here in the bottom, there is the oil filter socket tool right here. The filter, they all comes in different size. For example, today I'm going to use this one over here. It is very small one from the last one I did. See the difference right there. So this is the recent oil change I did, but today I'm going to do this one here. So the tool all comes in different sizes, big, medium, small, and more. You can have maybe 10 or 15 different sizes of socket right here, and then you can able to change any oil filter out. So this chain over here and this little screwdriver right here, it will replace all of your socket size. This will replace this one, and this will replace that, and this one too. So as of today, I don't have the tool for this one. As you can see, too big, too small. And on this one, neither. Too small, and all too small in this one. So the last time I did, I've been using this for a long time, but the last one I used this one too, because I did not have the right size of tool. So hopefully you don't need it, because if you change of oil have done by someone that know what they're doing, and you shouldn't need this tool. Because let me show you why. See this seal over here? It is a rubber. It's very soft. So when you put your new filter on, just hand tighten. Same thing when you get it out, only twist and it's out. But if it's done by someone that didn't know what they're doing, they probably have to be using this one right here and then tighten it back down. Don't do that. That is not the way you do it. This is the reason there is the seal over here, and on the old one right here as well. There's the seal over here. That's the reason this seal or this gasket is right here. So as I was saying, hopefully you don't need none of this, hopefully. This are very easy to use, but sometimes you don't have the right size, or it keeps stripping around. So but this is very handy. This will work on any car. Only thing is different on this one, if you don't have enough space to do it, because you gotta have almost both hands in there in order to use this one. But anyway, this is my main tool over here, and of course you gotta have a ratchet. So you gotta have this large size or the medium size, or you may going to need some extension or some adapter like this one, and depends what size of socket you use. You gotta have your new filter and your new pen to catch your oil, and then of course your new oil. All right, now That is included on all cars. And then the difference is, if you are working on a small car, you're gonna need a jack. This over here. Today I'm not gonna need a jack because I am going to work on a 4Runner and it's very high. I can just get in there and do it without any extra work. But if you're doing like a Honda Civic, Toyota Camry, or any other small car, you're gonna have to need this. Make sure you get a jack stand or a cinder block to replace the jack stand over here. That way you wouldn't be afraid or kill yourself, because it's very dangerous when you get under the car. Alright, I was going to show you how to use this chain underneath the car. The work I'm doing today, but it's very tight space. I can't really show you on the camera, but I really want you to get a clear view of it. So I'm going to do on a Hyundai van over here. So this is how you use the chain to remove any oil filter. Just put it together like this, like that. I hope you can see it. And then if you loosen it, run your screwdriver here. But if you tighten it, should do it right here. Which you shouldn't do that when you tighten it. Do it hand tighten. Today you're gonna do it like this. This screwdriver or the chain's kind of very small, so I had to use a screwdriver, a small one too. As you can see right now, it's very hard to get in, but it got in there right now, so it's good in there. Hope you can see it how it's over there. And now I just hold this one or whatever, or just let it go like that and do it. As I say, it needs more space. See, now we can continue because of this bracket right here, which is loose already right now. So that means you can use both of your hand or just one like that and just get it out like that. As you can see on the Hyundai Elantra or any other one, they got a different filter. You just slide, you don't replace this one, just slide the filter in here and then change this little seal right here, and then there's another seal comes with the new ones, which you're going to use the one two in the bottom. Or that's how you do this one. And of course, when you put it back, just put it back the reverse way like this, and then tighten, hand tighten, and you're good to go. Now I hope you got a clear view of what I was doing and how to use that chain. That's the only reason I'm doing it on this car. Now to change the oil filter out, it's all different on different cars. For example, on the Hyundai and Entourage minivan, it is on the top, it's easy access. And on the 87 Honda Civic, it's not easy. You have to jack up this little car very high in order for you to go underneath there and go all the way in here to the back. The filter is underneath this air filter over here, all the way down there. So you have to go underneath and go all the way in there and stick your hand up there and get it out. This is hard. And on the 84 720, it's right there, as you can see it. Hope you can see it right there. That's the red one. This one you cannot get it out from the bottom or on the side, so you have to get it out only this way. If you have to push this power steering tube over here on that side, and then this vacuum hose. No, I don't think it's a vacuum hose, but it is a hose. So you have to push them up on our side and then get this filter up here. That's the only way to get it out without moving any other parts. Gonna squeeze it out. It's very hard on this one. When I changed this one, I had some hard time, so I had to like get it out and up like this, and then go back down and then squeeze it up here and then take it out. Same thing when you put the new one in, squeeze it down and then up right here, and then goes in that place. It's kind of headache. The Forerunner, this is the 97. The filter is down there. It's very hard to reach it down there, and from the bottom, which you don't really have to do that. The easy way to do this is to go on this side over here. You can move the tire if you want to. If not, you don't have to. You can just reach in here, and it's right there. That's the white one over there, and just push this weather shield over here, and then take it up from this side. It's kind of easy. The Toyota Yaris, this is the 2007. You have to go under the car to get the oil filter up, which is on this side over here, right here, over here on the front. It's not on the back right there, but it's very easy. Just go underneath the car, which you're going to jack up the car anyway, so you have to reach it from the bottom. It's very easy. There's no cover. It's easy access. Same thing on the GMC. You go underneath the car, the truck, and all the way there. And the oil filter is all the way back there in the back over there. So you have to go like from there and all the way in, back there. Very easy to get it out too. Finally, I think you get the idea what I'm trying to show. Now the 97 Toyota Camry, which I am recently working on right now. As you can see, the alternator is back there, and the timing belt over here, and the oil filter is right here. That's the black one right here. So you can just reach your hand from the top, and you got it. Just make sure on the oil filter on the top of the engine, just put some rag around it. That way you don't make a lot of mess. So now on the GMC and the Yaris and the Forerunner, the 14mm, that's the one you use to drain the oil out from the oil pan. Sometimes they use different sizes. For example, right now on the 720 Nissan, it takes the 22mm right there. That's the one I'm using on that one. So first thing you gotta do is to start your car. Get it up to operating temperature. As you can see right now, that should be up in the middle. Alright, the Forerunner is up to operating temperature. That's good. Finally, let's change the oil out of the Forerunner. Hopefully I don't have to need any tool. I'm just expecting to use my hand, so I don't have any tool right now. So I'm using an oil pan catcher and my 14mm and a ratchet and some gloves. Don't get your nails dirty, because the nails, they're very special. Now after drain the oil out, put this block back in. There is a seal or gasket over here. You should change this one out every time you change an oil, but if you don't have it, a new one, just make sure it's in good condition. For example, in my case right now, it's in very good condition, so I'm going to reuse this one instead of another one, which I got those in stock over here. To torque this one down, you can torque it down from 5 foot-pounds to 10 foot-pounds. For example, in my case, this is a medium size one, so I'm going to torque it down to 8 foot-pounds. That's it, no more, because if you do more, you're going to mess up your oil pan underneath there. That's not good. So the maximum you do 10 foot-pounds. That's it. You can do it 7, long as the oil does not leak. That's all you need. No reason to torque it down to so many pounds. Finally, after all that, now you can put your new oil back in there. Don't forget that one. Check this and so often, that way you don't overfill it. For example, in mine right now, it is right at the F. Now you can see it better. Mine is right here below the F, right here, the edge. It's okay to be between this over here, but if it gets down right here, you got to add more. So mine right now is right here, a little bit over, just a very little bit. It should be right here, but it's up here right now. So that's gonna be okay. Alright, we finally finished. I hope you still there. Did make you go sleep, but if you're still there, thanks for watching, for staying with me. I hope you learned something. Like I said in the beginning, there is no magic involved to it. It's really just you have to know it or watch some video like this one right now. I mean, I try my best to give you enough information, and I hope that's enough for you guys. And like I said, you're still there, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That will help me out. And that's it, I guess. So again, appreciate it. Until next video, bye for now. Ciao ciao, adios.